Hi, my name is Serwesh. Few days ago I tried to present an idea about using a Mobius strip to train and test an AI model. Today here is the code that tries to implement this concept. This code predicts the population of the world by 2030 based on the previous population data. Note, this data is not real, it is generated in code to replicate the data. Actual data will vary. Let's take a quick look at the code. At first, NumPy, Matplot and K-neighbors regressor from scikit-learn is imported. Then here is the code that generates a virtual Mobius strip to train and test AI model. This lines of code generates a data for population from 1950 to 2023. This lines of code splits the generated data into training and testing data. This line apply KNN algorithm for training and testing the model on the Mobius strip. These are the arrays to store predicted population and actual population generated by the model. These lines are used for training the model on one loop around the Mobius strip. And these lines are used to test the model in next look around the Mobius strip. These codes are used for appending predicted and actual population to the arrays. This line print the actual and predicted values in the given string format during runtime. And this line are the code for generating the final graph representing the result generated for AI model. Now let's run the code and take a look at the result. This is the output graph. We can see that the generated graph is a line chart with actual population denoted by blue line, and predicted data denoted by red line. This demonstrates that the concept Mobius strip can be used in AI to test and train the model, and the process might be fasted, but it's still a long way to go. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and share with others.